Okay guys, quick little update. So here's the trailer of Gourds. This is the 56 Nash Metropolitan. So I know it looks like it's full of body filler, but it's actually just all coated. And then we knock it all back off, most of it. Just fills in the dents and all that kind of shit. You can see the box I put across the front, and then I put a door in there on either side. The doors are off it right now. They lock and close. It's going to be to keep the poles in there, because what we're going to do is this top is going to flip open. He's going to have some sort of barbecue or cooler or some sort of something going on in there. This is going to flip open. The lid's going to go there, and then we're going to have legs coming off the hitch area, which are going to come up to hold it up so he can utilize it as a table. So that's exactly why I built this compartment down here. So that's coming along. We have not touched the 56 Chevy because they sent the wrong transmission cross member. Not a big deal, shit happens. So until that comes, we will not do anything to it. So the cab is still sitting up there waiting. We'll go outside here. Now if you remember a while back, there was a 51 International here that I thought got hit on the side, and I made the mistake. It didn't. What it did was he was coming back and a deer ran out and took it out on him. Now the color's flip-flops here, so in the sun. But anyway, we redid all the fender, and then we did the driver's side door and the fender there. Obviously this is a little bit brighter than what was on the truck because the paint is faded a bit. We tried to do, tried the best we could there, but it's looking pretty damn good. And like I say, the sun is on it here, so it might be all kind of a bit odd looking to you guys, might look different, but if you're actually here, it's not that much off at all. We have a 73 Cuda came in. This is going to be it needs quarter panels, but the floorboards are solid. Trunk floor solid. Seems like a pretty decent car. I've looked it over, so we're going to be doing this thing, actually all of it. Engine's coming out, suspension's coming out. It is getting done from top to bottom. May not look like it, but it's going to be completely redone. So it's another one on the list. Yes, a 36 Ford is still here, but it is done. The problem is can't get it out of here because it's always fucking raining. So hopefully now the sun is out. As you can see, it's a beautiful day, so we're going to get it out of here this week. So that's what's going on there. Terry's car. We have started on Terry's car, which was originally Court Elliott's car, built by Jack Williams. It's in all the Carcraft magazines. Take a look. The car's sitting here, but the front end is in the shop. We also are working on Irv's little 51 Pontiac here. So Irv bought a kit, an aftermarket kit that allows you to put smoother looking inner fenders and parts on it. So we're trying to piece that together today, but we're missing a couple parts that actually you have to utilize from the factory inner fenders that Irv didn't bring out. So he's going to be bringing that stuff out to us tomorrow, and then we're going to be going to town on this. And yes, this has got an LS in it. Putting an LS, Mustang 2, rack and pinion, you know, all the goodies, power brakes, all that kind of stuff. So that's what's going on there. Now, over in here, if you remember, we had that Pro Street little 66 Acadian. The dash and column needed painting. So Sean is in here, getting it all prepared to go. How you doing in here today? He's doing good. Look at that. Now see, I want to show you what it takes. This car is a beautifully painted car, but look the detail it takes for Sean to mask it and cover it up. A lot of work just to paint the dash. But the thing is that people don't realize how much time this takes. So they just throw a fucking piece of plastic over it, am I right or wrong? And then they get overspray all over. Then they spend twice as long cleaning up the overspray.
You gotta clean it, right?
You gotta clean it. Yeah, we don't do that here. So you spend a little extra time and you go through all this kind of, this kind of stuff here. It might seem like it takes a while to mask it off, but at the end of the day, it makes the job a lot easier when you're all done. Are you priming this dash tonight? Is that what's going on? You're priming tonight? Okay. Okay, well that's fine. That's fine. I still haven't gotten the paint yet. Yeah, but it should be here. Yeah. Yeah, okay. So there's what's going on there. And there's Court Elliott, which is now owned by Terry Kong. There's the front end of the car. Now you can see, look at all the old lead that they did back in the day. This is all done by Jack Williams. All of it is in good shape. We're not touching any of it. This car is actually in very beautiful shape. No rust coming up anywhere. Nothing weird. What a beautiful job. 58 Lincoln quad headlights. Like I say, the car was the headlight. Let me see here. The lights were done, I think, in '63 or '64, but they started the car in the '62. Very cool. All right, we'll let Sean keep working away. Let's see what else is happening. What else is happening? I don't know. It's a beautiful day out today. That's what's happening. So today I had one of my Instagram. I have you guys follow me out there, and one of them is Sigmund Floyd. He calls himself. He's got a 65 VW bus van. Well, he dropped by and gave me a special gift today. So this is it right here. He gave me this radio, portable. Now it's an old one, you can tell, because it's a cassette player. So, but it's cool looking, and it represents a dashboard of a car. So it's right in the shop here. Oh no, of course, look at the girl behind the desk here. This is our newest girl. She's the latest addition. She's gonna fix us up here. Isn't that right?
No.
No? No? She's shy. That's all right. Here it is right here. This is very cool. So you can see, change the channels. Looks just like a dash of a car. So that's awesome. We also, Irv, who we're doing the 51 Pontiac for, brought me this cooler that hangs on the wall. That, as you can see, I'm going to change it. It says it's a loonie, and I filled it full of beer. So to all my friends out there, I'm going to put a toonie on there, because that's just how much I like you guys. So anyway, keeps it ice cold. Right now we've got it set up so you can open it without the loonie. So that's pretty cool. That's all that's going on here. So, remember, it's always a good time, an old time. We will see you next time, and a big thumbs up. Keep building cars, guys.